Welcome back to another Facebook Messenger tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign out of the Messenger app on both iPhone and Android. And if this guide ends up helping you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, it really supports the channel. Alright, to log out of Messenger on your phone, start by opening the Messenger app. Once it's open, tap the menu icon in the bottom menu right corner, the three horizontal lines. After that menu appears, go ahead and hit the gear icon in the top right next to your username. This will take you directly into your Messenger settings. Now scroll all the way down until you get to Meta Account Center and tap See More in Account Center. This will bring you into the main Meta account area for your Facebook and Instagram settings. From here, scroll to Account Settings and choose Password and Security. Once you're inside Password and Security, move down to Security Checks and tap where you're logged in, then select the account you want to log out of. After it loads, you'll see a list showing all the locations and devices where your account is currently logged in. Look for the device you want to sign out from. If it's the phone you're using right now, find that entry and tap it from there. You'll simply choose Logout. You can also log out of every device connected to your Messenger account. To do that, scroll to the bottom and select Devices to log out. Then choose Select All and tap Logout to disconnect from all devices at once. And that's how you can log out of Messenger. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. For more Messenger tutorials and tips, check out the links down in the description. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech guides and device reviews. Thanks so much for watching.